Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Green color, green color. Brown color, brown color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, firstly draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use red color. A for apple, A for ant. The alphabets of A. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use green color. Green color. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use green color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. And use blue color. Blue color. I for ice, I for ice cream. Again use blue color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. Kids now draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. Kids now draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And use red color. Red color. The alphabets of M. Kids again use red color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw P. P for penguin, P for parrot. The alphabets of P. It's neither Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. Use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw R. R for rose. The alphabets of R. Kids now draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. The alphabets of T. Kids neither U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw V. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. Kids neither W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. Kids neither Y. Y for yolk. The alphabets of Y. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw Z. Z for zebra. The last we draw Z. Kids today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for God, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for x-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.